Hi everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to take 2 of this video. Yeah, you won't know it's take 2. I'm telling you it's take 2. I recorded the whole thing once already and I didn't have my mic set up properly. I only had one part of it connected, and so I was recording away with no sound at all. Anyhow, let's try this whole thing again. Welcome. If you're new here, it's not always like this. Sometimes it is, though. And if you're coming back, you know what it's like. You just know. All right, let's get started with it. Let's show you what we got. I was almost done, too. Almost finished. All right, let's start with a cute little gnome. He is a spring or a summer gnome. You decide what he is. This is from, oh, by the way, DIYCHOOSE. Maybe I should tell you that. Woo, okay. Settle down. We can do this. We got it. All right, so he's spring or summer, all of his flowers and everything. Pretty cute. It's not a lot of color here. I mean, we got some pink and yellow, but it's kind of a muted palette, I would say. It does say something down here. You can read it in the camera. It says, miss you gnome more, or miss you gnome much. Miss you gnome much. Can't read that word. Anyhow, I don't know if I would leave that in there and try to make it legible, or if I would just cover it up with some of the greens and just move on. I don't know. It depends. You really cannot read that word at all. So I might just cover it up. I'm not one for trying to make a word. I don't think I would do that. Anyhow, this one has 20 colors. Is it sticky? Yes. These are always very sticky. I never have any trouble with the glue on these. They're very nice. And the symbols are usually very clear on them. Very clear. Always easy to read. I don't always show the symbols on these. If I had trouble with the symbols, then I would probably point it out, but I never have trouble with them. They're always very nice. So this one comes in the pre-bagged baggies with the number, the kit number. 2221 is on there. They wrote it on there. I've tried to it doesn't rub off really. I think if you got it wet, maybe it would. But if you wanted to put a sticker on here, that would be more permanent, you could do that as well. But here's our colors. I love the pre-bag drills. It just makes them like, hello, work on me right now. Just take a bag out and put a few drills on, right? So we got blues, tans, greens, yellows, grays, more greens, golden. What color is that? Rusty, I don't know. Rusty brown. That's not what it is. I don't know what it is. Pink, green, green, no, gray, blue, gray, green. There's the green. Anyhow, there's the drills. I think it would be really cute. All right. Okay. Next. Who's ready for Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving gnomes. Oh my gosh. Are you serious? Okay. Thanksgiving is it's not out there all over the place. This one is completely Thanksgiving. They're pilgrims. Look she's made a pie. They got their pumpkins behind them. Oh, it must be pumpkin pie. Earlier when I did it, I said it was apple, but I bet you it's not apple. No, it's got to be apple. Pumpkin pie doesn't get a top crust. I'm still going with apple, even though they got pumpkins in the background. I'm going with apple. Apple. Anyhow, I love them. They're so cute. Very specific for one holiday. I love it. Love it. Look at them. There's her pie. Put her pie. Apple, right? Okay. The drills come this way for this one, and it does have the kit number right there on it for you. I always attach my drills to these. I tape them right on there because I am not separating hundreds of paintings from their drills and then having to find the drills later. So I attach them right on there, and I write the name of the company up there. So I will write DIYCHOOSE. I write it right on the canvas. I can't lose a sticker that way. I know some people put a sticker. I just write it on the canvas. You're going to cut it off anyhow. Nobody's ever going to see that, right? Who cares? So anyhow, the colors are what they are. Grays, greens, yellows, oranges. And there's some blue in there. See the blue? There's our blue sky right there. Okay. That's what it is. It's cute. Wonder if I'll do that one for November. I don't know. All right. These are super cute. Now, I had some questions when I opened it the first time, what they actually are. Each of these comes with a toolkit. This one just happens to have the lobster claws for the keychains in the bag with the toolkit. All right, and here's our drills. Here's our drills. All right, you tell me what they are. I have determined what they are. I'm just going to show them all to you first. Now, they're sticky. They're very sticky. With keychains, they get the glue like all over the place. I think they just, I don't know, slap it all on there somehow. I don't know, but look at this one. Okay, we got a tail. We got pink ears. Okay, how about this one? We got a tail, a nose, pink ears. I think these are whiskers and the hat. Okay. Look at the long chin hair stuff there. They're cats, right? They're cats. Would you call them a cat? I would call them a cat, but I also think that they're gnomes. I think they're gnome cats. I don't know. To me, they look like gnomes, like they've got a big, that's probably just their neck ruff. I don't know. I call them gnome cats. I'll probably always call them gnome cats. I think they're cute. Look at them. Super cute. Ears, noses, whiskers, tails. But the eyes are all hidden and the big nose. I just call them gnome cats. I think they're gnome kitties. Okay, if you think there's something else, you let me know. That's what I'm calling them. I'm calling them the gnome kitties. That's got a piece of plastic or something in its hole there. That would have to be cleaned out. All right, here's the drills. Let's look at the drills. There aren't very many different types. We have clear, 2 bags of black, pinks, 2 pinks for those noses and ears, some orange for the pumpkin, some green, and some brown. There's our colors. Pretty simple. Keychains make great gifts. Or if you're doing a craft show, they make great little small items to sell. I sold a bunch of these at a craft show one time for like $5 a piece. And they're just easy to pick up. People would buy them as a gift for someone. They're fun. They're cute. Okay. So since I've already opened all of this, I don't have to figure out how this works. I know how it works. But I have told you in the past, if you've been around a while, you know that I have fallen in love with this wooden stuff. I love it. The first wooden piece I got, I think, was 4th of July piece, I believe. And I've wanted other holidays to be represented. So they're getting it. They're getting it, you guys. They heard me all the way over here in China from Michigan. They heard me. So a new holiday. You can already tell what it is. I turned it upside down, but I'm not fooling anybody, am I? Right? How cute. Cute. Christmas is here on wood. I love it. They had several different varieties with different pictures and things. I think I saw 5 or 6. I just happened to like this candle, the poinsettias and the ribbon. I loved that one. I think it's beautiful. It's going to be really nice. I never did get the drills open. I didn't get that far. I figured out how to put it together though. I was like, how does this go together? It's 2-sided. There's plastic on the back. I know that this is going to go in the center. This will be clear. When you peel off the plastic off there, it will be clear. And it goes in between, so it looks like a snow globe, right? It is a snow globe. It's got to look like a snow globe. So it goes like that. And then I was like, well, then this piece goes here. It's going to go in here like this. And then this goes in the holder, the stand. But how does it all stay together? That was my question. Well, I figured that out. This peels off. This is sticky. The whole back of the wood is sticky. So it's going to stick to this. It's going to stick to that. And then the other one is sticky as well. So it'll all get stuck together in one piece like this. Firm, right? And then you put it in the holder. Pretty ingenious. I like it. I like it. Okay. I need to do this one for Christmas. I want this one in my house for Christmas. I got to work on this. Okay. Let's look at the drills. That's where I was when I realized I wasn't really recording with sound. I looked over and I was like, oh, the mic part is laying on the counter. That's not going to work. That will not work. Okay, here's the drills. Let's look at them real quick. And then we are done. We are out of here. So there's some pretty red, peachy color, another red, another orangey peach color, pinks, some brown, gold, couple of yellows, couple of greens, another green, and then here's our one that's like not a rhinestone, a little special. It's just a bigger rhinestone, really. But so it's all rhinestones except for that. Anyhow, I like it. I will link all of these below if there's something that you are interested in, so you can go check them out. Like I said, I know there was a snowman, there was Santa Claus, there were other things, other objects that you could diamond paint, and they're all on wood. I love them, love them. Okay, now I'm done. Second time recording, I think I'm good. All right. Thanks for hanging out for a while, and I hope you come back, okay? And maybe I'll have my act together a little bit better next time. I don't know. Okay, I will talk to you soon, everybody. Bye.